Right, here is the gooey mess of chicken fried rice. Look at the state of that. Right, that's what it's like now. I'll do a bit of filming. Would you eat that? Well, I was like, hey up, can you read this? Hang on. There we go. There we go. Right. That's that. I'll show you what it's like when I finish. I'll take Ted's for a walk and it will cool down and you can have it. So here's your first vid. Now here's the aftermath. Look how fluffy this is. Fit for a king. And that's what Ted is going to get. Look at that. It's super fluffy. All mixed right, everything. Rice, eggs and his chicken. Well, that will go in his bowl now. I'll take the lad for a good walk and when he comes back it'll be all nicely chilled for him. So there's the gas off. Now what do you reckon? Comments and views, it's up to you. Teddy's dinner. Chicken egg fried rice for the Teds. Done.